tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade.
Okay, so the job I'm at today is these hedges and shrubs. With a few more to do round about the garden here. It's an absolutely roasting day, but just stopped for a tea break here and just to switch over, put the extension in and get the harness on and get up, try and get the top of this hedge. It's actually been cut. There's two driveways here, and so it's sort of like split level. It's a wee bit different. Touching the inside, we want to just clean up around this gate a bit. Okay, next thing to tackle is this holly tree. Customer has been planting stuff in underneath and there's nothing will grow. I think we'll push it back first, see how much we can get, and then accordingly we'll lift the bottom. You can see actually those hostas are getting light at the bottom there now, and this rhododendron's still in the shade. Next up is this cherry tree here. It's restricting their view, so they want the height down a wee bit. Next up, we're going to move onto this side here. Look, and there's a tree here that shouldn't be here. This here Mahonia grows really fierce, and I don't think it needs to be this size. Hello. Yo. Hello. Well. these ladders, just in case anybody hasn't seen these type of ladders before. This is a good example of why I use them. So the GoPro isn't going to show this very well, but this is really steep here. If you look, that leg is in as tight as it will go, and this leg is extended as far as it will go. There's stuff around in here, and like you can actually see my foot is starting to slip there. So this is in stones. If I was standing here, like I'm pretty much sliding down. Wonder can I get you an idea? There you can see with that handrail over there, that's how steep a slope this is. And yet I was able to get right up the top of these ladders and feel as stable as anything. And these ladders have a platform up here that you stand on this platform and you can sort of put your knees in. They're made by Henchman. You can get other makes, but Henchman are the only ones that do the platform and 3 adjustable legs, which, I mean, you absolutely need 3 adjustable legs. Like this particular garden, it's slopey all over the place, and there's level changes and banks, and you know, you're able to put one leg up on top of this wall and one leg down and so on to get into the right place. So Henchman, I'll put a link in the description. I'm not sponsored or anything like that, although Henchman, if you want to send me a few more ladders, you're more than welcome. But definitely they're one of the tools that I would not be without. Took me a wee minute or two there to get into the way of using her. With the very green stuff, that's the first I've actually used this chipper. It's the smaller one. For shredding, you know, hedge cuttings on a hedge cutting job. I have used it for chipping, you know, tree work, doing big branches and that sort of stuff. But I was keen just to see how it would cut with, you know, 90% or more green material. finished this job, it was actually too dark to video, so this is a day or two later. I've just come back. I'm not happy with this hedge behind me, but I hadn't enough height on the steps, I just couldn't get up any higher. So I'll speak to the customers about that, see if we maybe take it down a bit or get it done from the field side. As usual, thank you very much again for watching. Catch you in the next one.